Are we live? Yes. Hey, welcome to a quick update of the Caribbean Weather Desk, where we are talking about a very dangerous Hurricane Matthew. Hurricane Matthew earlier became the first major hurricane in the Atlantic in 9 years. System has weakened a little bit since then. However, still a very, very powerful hurricane. As of the 5 a.m. advisory, it was located at 13.3 north, 72.8 west, or pretty much about 420 nautical miles southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Matthew is moving west at 7, a minimum pressure of 942, maximum sustained winds of 155, which makes it a Category 4 hurricane. As you can see here on satellite, the system has gotten a little bit less good looking as before. The eye has become now clouded, and the convective buzzsaw pattern is a little weaker than what it was before. So that's how it looks here. Obviously, the sun just starting to rise over the system here on the RGB satellite loop. The system is expected to eventually turn north. However, we do think that it may very well be possible much west of the forecast track. Being said, we'd probably see this thing go a bit more like towards this, either through western Jamaica or maybe even slightly west of Jamaica itself and through here. So we will do need to watch that. Either way, hurricane watches for Jamaica, for Haiti, tropical storm watches, and also tropical storm warnings for Colombia. So we'll see how that let's play out. And just to give you an idea in terms of the steering flow for the system, we got this high pressure ridge, which is actually slightly built back a bit more than what it was earlier. So that will be looked at and will be a player into this here. You also have the low here. That is being watched. This low is actually shifted a little bit to the northwest and away from the southeast, away from the system. The overall troughing is still there. However, it is shifting more and more to the east. And the worry is that if the system continues to move pretty slowly off towards the west, it may end up missing the trough as the trough moves northwest and eventually northeast, and maybe the high possibly rebuilding back and then curving back a little bit further to the southwest. However, another trough, as you can see right here, is expected to move through, and that will pick up the system if it does end up doing that and end up getting shot northeast. So that will have to be watched as time goes forward. Either way, dangerous situation occurring. And as I said, it needs to be watched, especially as the system moves westward. I think the key point is that if the system ends up continuing west beyond this dot here, between that dot, hold on, let me just clear that out here. If it ends up moving west of that dot and south of it, or through it and west of it, you can forget about the forecast track that takes it through here. It will likely miss that and probably end up either here or further west, probably like so. Either way, the conditions in Jamaica will start to deteriorate as the very outer edge of the system, the outer bands, will start to affect Jamaica, as well as the outer bands is already starting to make effect onto Haiti. So we'll be watching this closely during today, and obviously a little later on today we will be doing another update and also full discussion on things. By the time then, I expect things to change. And I think probably by that time we will also be able to see and determine whether Matthew ends up either missing or hitting or passing north of that spot. So that is it from me, Adam McDoom, at my HQ in Grand Cayman, and this is the Caribbean Weather Desk, signing off for now.